In the heart of Ankara, within the proud industrial district of Kahraman-Kazan, a new chapter in Turkey's military history is being written, one forged in steel, innovation, and national pride. Here stands the birthplace of the Altay, the next-generation Turkish main battle tank, a powerful symbol of the country's growing self-sufficiency and technological mastery in defense production. The Altay is far more than just another armored vehicle. It embodies the determination of a nation to stand on its own feet, to build a strong, independent military force without relying on foreign suppliers. It represents the fusion of national ambition, engineering excellence, and strategic vision. A historic moment marked the dawn of this new era, a grand ceremony held at the BMC Ankara facility, the core of Turkey's new armored vehicle production hub. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan personally attended the event, officially launching the mass production of the Altay tank. That day, the thunder of engines filled the air, as steel and spirit combined. The first 3 Altay tanks rolled proudly off the assembly line and were handed to the Turkish Armed Forces. From that moment, the factory in Kahraman-Kazan became more than a production site. It became Turkey's new powerhouse of armored innovation. Built with cutting-edge infrastructure and staffed with domestic expertise, the BMC complex is capable of manufacturing not only the Altay, but also an entire family of next-generation armored vehicles. The Altay project itself is a testament to national collaboration. It unites the efforts of BMC Defense, MKE, Aselsan, Roketsan, and several other key Turkish defense companies, all combining their unique strengths under a single, unified vision. This cooperation stands as proof of Turkey's ability to consolidate its industrial might into one cohesive defense ecosystem. The tank's main weapon system, developed by MKE, is a powerful 120mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing both NATO-standard rounds and laser-guided munitions, giving the Altay exceptional lethality across all battlefield conditions. Complementing this are 7.62 and 12.7mm machine guns, both remotely operated via an advanced sensor-based fire control system, ensuring precise targeting and superior situational awareness. But the Altay's power doesn't come from firepower alone. It lies in its protection and survivability. With a crew of 4, all operations can be conducted entirely from inside the tank, minimizing exposure and maximizing safety. Its reactive armor, active protection system, and threat detection sensors work in tandem to defend against a wide array of modern anti-tank weapons. Every component of the Altay has been designed for adaptability and evolution, capable of being upgraded or modified as technology advances. This ensures the tank remains future-ready, able to integrate new combat systems, sensors, and weaponry as warfare evolves. The production facility in Kahraman-Kazan is not merely a factory. It is a complete defense technology ecosystem. It houses everything from design and testing labs to integration and logistics support centers, ensuring full operational sustainability for Turkey's armored fleet. With this facility now operational, Turkey has dramatically reduced its reliance on foreign imports and has opened the door to exporting its domestically made combat vehicles to friendly nations. As the lead company, BMC envisions positioning Turkey among the world's top 5 producers of land combat vehicles, a goal now within reach. The mass production of the Altay also reaffirms Turkey's growing status as a regional military powerhouse, achieving not only industrial capability but technological sovereignty. During the launch ceremony, President Erdogan proudly declared, "Every bolt, every steel plate in the Altay is a symbol of our national sovereignty." For decades, the Turkish army depended on foreign-made Leopard and M60 tanks, but with the Altay, that dependency ends. This is the beginning of a new era, the era of Turkish tanks. Under the current program, 250 Altay tanks will be produced, 85 units in the T1 configuration and 165 in the advanced T2 version, which features enhanced armor protection and improved communications technology. The T2 will be the most advanced variant yet, integrating active protection systems and full network-centric warfare capabilities. Looking even further ahead, Turkey plans to develop the Altay T3, an unmanned variant equipped with remote control systems and artificial intelligence developed domestically.
However, the success of the Altay didn't come easily. It is the result of more than a decade of research, testing, and cross-sector collaboration. Turkey faced multiple challenges, particularly when foreign suppliers refused to export crucial components like engines and transmissions. Instead of halting progress, Ankara turned adversity into opportunity, launching the BATU project, a fully domestic tank engine program led by Tumasan and BMC Power. This breakthrough marked a turning point for Turkey's defense industry, proving that embargoes could fuel innovation rather than stop it. The export potential of the Altay is also promising. With growing interest from Middle Eastern, African, and Asian countries, Turkey sees the Altay as a key export alongside other successful products like the Bayraktar drones and Kirpi armored vehicles. The Kahraman-Kazan facility alone is capable of producing up to 100 tanks per year, while also providing maintenance, modernization, and long-term support for existing vehicles, ensuring BMC's role as both manufacturer and strategic partner of the Turkish military. The Altay's modular architecture allows easy integration of future systems, such as satellite communications, infrared sensors, and automatic friend or foot identification. Its powerful engine, adaptive suspension, and advanced cooling systems grant it exceptional mobility, from the rugged Anatolian mountains to the scorching Syrian deserts. Its fire control system, developed by Aselsan, delivers pinpoint accuracy even under extreme weather or during high-speed maneuvers. Meanwhile, its advanced communication network ensures real-time coordination with infantry units and aerial drones, effectively transforming the Altay into a mobile command center on the battlefield. This entire project reflects Turkey's mastery of the defense industry value chain, from design and production to post-battle logistics and support. After 2 decades of heavy investment, the results are now visible and undeniable. Facilities like Kahraman-Kazan prove that Turkey can compete with global defense powers in both innovation and scale. Every inch of this complex has been engineered with precision, from automated assembly lines to NATO-standard ballistic test chambers. The workforce here consists not merely of operators, but of highly trained engineers, logisticians, and technicians, individuals who understand every detail of modern armored warfare. They are not just building machines, they are forging national pride in steel. The Altay stands today as living proof of how Turkey has transformed itself, from an importer to a producer and innovator in the global defense landscape. Behind it lies a simple yet profound philosophy. A nation that does not produce its own weapons cannot control its own destiny. The Altay's success has also inspired a new wave of defense innovation, from the Kızılelma combat drone and Kaan fighter jet to the TCG Anadolu aircraft carrier. Together, these projects form a unified ecosystem of national defense, interconnected, homegrown, and future-oriented. With determination, vision, and courage, Turkey has proven that the limits of progress are only defined by ambition. And now, from Kahraman-Kazan to every corner of the world, one message resounds loud and clear. Turkey has awakened. The Altay has been born. A new era of land power has begun.